Welcome back to Roblox. And today, if you don't know, I'm playing Boulder Boat for Treasure. But, you don't see, I built it already because it's kind of bored of you watching me do it. So, you went lunch. Please don't tell me I messed up the engine. Okay, I did good. And the good thing is, my old account, what's this account now, actually is catching up to my main account. What? Still I'm mad about I lost. Because I had everything. And when I mean everything, I mean everything I had. So, yeah. Can I please not hear anything? That'll be absolute amazing. That would be amazing. Yes, I didn't hear anything. I don't think so. I'm not sure about this one if I could because my boat is so thick. Look how thick the boat is. Okay, I hit it. I hit something. Whoop! I hit 2 things. I hit 3 things. Ooh, I hit 4 things. I think 4 is the max I could hit. 5, 6. Okay. Apparently, I actually suck. Okay, if that hits my wood, pretty much useless. So, yeah. I still include the wood for no it, because they're absolutely useless. The only thing they're good for is tornado. Look, it gets tanking, and my last wooden block has just got destroyed. So now my strongest block, I think, is the metal. I think metal is stronger than the concrete. Why can oh. Please don't tell me my engine's so good it isn't. So if that kills me, that will be sucky. I don't wanna. It's like that. Oh, okay. Ah, getting wrecked. What's the food section? I'm dying. My boat, it's crumbling. It's nice. Okay, it is. My engine's dead. So, hopefully my block under me doesn't disappear. Oh, on my back? No, that sucks. No, please, please. Okay. We survived. Dice? Oh my. I don't have a chip. No, get back on. Get back on. Dude, I'm a goner. Okay, 64. Okay. I could buy a rare chest. Yeah, why not? Okay. Now I get one of those. Common, I guess. Yay! Let's do it again. To get 1. Okay, that's great. Guys, okay. Sadly, unfortunately I have to go for dinner, so I'll beat this game next time. Bye guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and follow me. It really appreciates me. And if you're my favorite YouTuber, you have to subscribe. If this is one of your favorite YouTubers, you have to subscribe. Unspeakable, Mr. Beast, Sunny and Melon, OJ, and the last one is Baby Yoda TV or Luke TV. I think his name now is Luke TV or Baby. I don't know. So, bye guys!